Hey, look at this big old Deere sitting here. 950R. Look at the face on this, the grill. Tell me that grill wasn't taken after that cartoon that they just come out, huh? Did you steal some eggs from a farmer that had a tractor look like that? Look at that eyes. Huh? I'm ready to disc. Yeah. Look at big old tires on that thing. There we go. Block that sun a little bit. Look at the view this farmer has. Just sitting there waiting. Come on. I don't know what you'd call that thing. Here's the other side of the road from where that John Deere stands. Them trees over there, that's Keiki River. Isn't that beautiful? Look how far you can see. I don't know if you can tell, but back over here to the left, them are the windmills they put in. That's the pride of the Southland right there. This is the tractor I can afford right here. Look how small it is. Little tractor. Moline, Illinois. 76, huh? I think it's 76. Hydraulics. Here's another tiny one, a little bigger. Little plastic sides, huh? Check that out. I'm taller than the deck. Ooh, look, I'm taller than the deck. Even makes the John Deere thing look big, huh? I can ride in this thing, huh? Man, I would probably have a hard time fitting in there, huh? I'd just fall in there and fall out. That's another one I'd probably have a hard time getting in. And we're made for fat dudes. Guess I could probably get in there, huh? Then you got this big old boy here. Got the big weights on the front. The 4 wheels on there. Yeah, that's my kind of truck. That big boy, huh? Must be that's 4-wheel drive. See a little knuckle in there? It's not 4-wheel drive. Huh. Still got the weights on there. Or this one. That looks homemade. I wonder if that's homemade. I wonder if this opens. Oh. Getting ready for auction. Got tank tracks on it. That's cool, isn't it? $96.60. Oh, that's cool looking one. Look at it. Looks like it's got eyes on it. Ah! Check this out. Got tracks on it, huh? Like a bulldozer. We gotta get that. How does it work? What makes them roll? There's the axle back there, huh? And you must take off the front piece. Steering guide, huh? Still steering wheel in it though. There's an extra brake. Huh. I wonder how it steers. There's shift levers up there? No shift levers. Huh. These must be chemical boxes, huh? Check it out. Must we tell you all the tank in the tank, huh? Beep. I want to make this go down. Hydraulics, huh? Max submerged vacuum meter. Got your little blades there. This is how you get up in there, huh? This is kind of cool. Premium planning. Look at this. Little cedars. I wonder what they go on. Kind of neat, huh? Let's check it out. You got a mini. They're steel discs. No, they're plastic, huh? It's kind of cool. Little tires in there. Huh. Big ad here. Pull the combine right up. I can do some fancy welding there, huh? Two magpies on a fence. Isn't that bad luck? No, he just found a cheeseburger. He can't see me because the windows are tinted. Bird watching. Southgate Garage. A lot of nice colors on them, huh? What are they looking for? They don't have no natural enemies. Oh, we got another one here. Oh, we got a Finchy here. Hey, that's mine. Oh, he scared him all away. Check that out. Man, look at him. He's like, hey, it's my block here. I'm going to get that food. Hey, this is my stuff here. I'm the king of the Southland. Look at them all. They're taking off. That goes to show you right there, size doesn't matter. I don't think that's a blackbird or a magpie. Looks like more of a finch.